Hello everyone, I am Moni. Let's crochet this together. I am currently using acrylic yarn. I do not have label for this, so I'm testing it out like that to identify the correct hook size. We will start with slip knot. Chain 25. It is totally adjustable, so if you want less or more you can do it now. We will count one chain as V and we will start from second chain. We can use two methods here, either half double crochet or half double crochet slip stitch. I'm going to use the half double crochet slip stitch. This will be tricky at first, but it's totally okay. After one or two rows you will be pro in this, so do not worry, just keep crocheting. If you have any issues using half double crochet slip stitch, you can continue using the normal half double crochet one. We will start every round with chain 1, and from here we will only work on the back loops. In every last loop we will work in both these stitches so that the edges will be nice and straight. Increase or decrease the rows as per your hand coverage. Here we will mark the 11th stage with a marker. You can use your stitch marker. I am currently using a safety pin. Now we will join both the ends. You can use any method. I am currently using both the loops method. You can use either front loop of both or back loop of both. Anything will work here. Remove the marker and we will make 6 slip stitches on one side only. This will be our hole for the thumb. We will do the final checks here if any readjustment is needed. If everything is okay, just cut the yarn and weave the ends. I'm using light pink yarn for frills. You can also use white yarn or any other contrasting color. This does not need to be very perfect. We need to make single crochet, so wherever you can find, we just need to align single crochet in all these stitches so that we can add the frill here. Chain 3, and this will count as a double crochet, and in the same stitch make 4 double crochet. So we will be making 5 double crochet in each stitch. Thank you everyone for watching.